केबल होगी बेचना
OnePlus 13, iPhone 5G, RAM is 16 GB, the ROM is 512 GB, and the color is Arctic Down. This one global version. Now we unboxing this phone. Okay, let's start, brother, my friend. Yeah, you need cutter? You go unboxing. Do. If you don't want, if you shy, I open.
you open बस सदके जावा कटर दा बंदा ले लव
सदके भी जाओ बारी भी जाओ अने हाँ हैप्पी हाँ गुड हाँ
वांगे यहाँ सुनोगे यहाँ
So why OnePlus can sell, sir? Boss, yesterday I go back only sell ready, huh?
Not that one, the GT20 Pro.
GT20, huh?
Yeah.
And
And
my
50 Pro. This is the
my customer.
that guy. We buy scooter yesterday 7 phone again. If you saw the picture, maybe you remember.
I give one customer to something, you know, the 1460 Pro. That customer answer.
Yeah.
वो इधर आ फ्रेम जा रहे हैं इधर आ
क्या phone है बाबा जी? Very nice color. But blue also nice. But that one you know don't have the stock. I checked. She say maybe you can get tomorrow or after tomorrow.
Today, tomorrow I'm working again.
Oh, and next week?
You know time is money. You don't want to waste his time.
Good.
I got money now. Give me now, I buy now. Done already. Very easy.
एक मिनट
Yes, sir.
और चार्जिंग पर फर्स्ट टाइम लाने पर लग रहा है
केबल भी नहीं है उनके
केबल मिली है ना फ्री आ देखो एक रख लियो ना
केबल केड़ी है
ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਪਈ ਹੈ ਨਾ yeah I asked him the price this one how much the price she said the price is 349 I said what happened why 349 she said this one 100 and this and this one also have 1 year warranty
Oh, 1 year warranty, 1 year warranty.
yeah
I go under Oppo or what?
Yeah, under Oppo. OnePlus under Oppo. And this one benefit for you because this one Malaysian phone. Yeah.
I'm okay with it.
Yeah.
चलो भी जाओ ओ लगा खावा
This one no yet screen protector, right?
No, yeah. If you want, we can. I think this curve.
got but not like proper one is like a thinner
They
one
only have hydrogel. They don't
Yeah,
have
no.
don't have
Latest model, that's why.
Yeah, but hydrogel got fingerprint, right?
Yeah, go.
there is two quality one is matte one is clear one
I want the matte one.
matte
Because
one.
what?
Good. Smartphone.
only 10 to 15 minutes
How much?
under 20
But it's your safety, you know. But you buy a very expensive phone, yeah.
I prefer matte one also matte one is better
Yeah, I definitely go matte because I don't want fingerprint.
Yeah.
Kala, I take it.
Okay. I will. हाँ मैंने पहला पता थी कैमरे की गाड़ी को हो रही है मैंने पहला पता सीखा अरे मगे
okay I go just install and no need to bring it if I bring it then gonna waste time again
चलो जाओ ਉੱਥੇ ਹੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਪਤਾ ਕਰੋ
जा कर आगे ले आते
अब बाकी सारा कुछ ਸਮੇਟੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਂ ਕਰਾ ਕੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਕੇਬਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਰੱਖ ਲਓ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੇਬਲ ਤੇ ਦੇਖੋ
नहीं दे दे सुनो गड्डी को यूज कर रहे हैं Cable, this one you want, right?
Yeah.
I show you now spec about wise. Okay, see, OnePlus 13, 512 GB, battery 6000, Snapdragon 8. Okay, the RAM is 16 GB plus 12 GB, total 28 GB. Okay. See, this one global version. Oh, very nice. The camera I will show you now. The camera also so nice. I show you now camera. Where is the camera? Okay. While using see, very nice camera. This portrait. Wow. Awesome camera.